Hi, I'm Naya. Welcome to Health, Wealth, and Tech. If you clicked on this video, then you're probably at a place where I used to be. But I'm gonna jump right in without rambling. Before I do that, I want to say you have to have an open mind. Now, we live in a world that is so fast fashion, and a lot of people hop on doing certain things. Example, technology. Everybody's doing digital marketing, affiliate marketing, and all of that. Those get you money in months. I won't deny it. It's perfect. But I will say, while you're doing your affiliate marketing and digital marketing, this is not what that video is going to be about. So if that's what you're looking for, you might as well click out. While you're doing the affiliate marketing and everything, and you're waiting for months to get the money into your account, you might as well start doing what I am about to tell you. Like I said, we live in a world that is so fast fashion. Everybody's doing something and everybody wants to do the exact same thing. For example, doing affiliate marketing. Now, nothing is wrong with affiliate marketing because that can get you money in months. But if you want money quick, I'm talking in weeks, in days, you have to have an open mind to what I am about to tell you. Now, back to the example I was giving. Some people are into affiliate marketing or digital marketing or influencing or something to do with technology. Technology is perfect. It's amazing. Do not get me wrong. Without technology, I would not be able to tell you these tips that actually worked for me, and you will not be able to listen to it. But it's come to a point where people are not seeing that outside of technology, which is done online, there are people who have real problems and need other people with real solutions to solve their problems. And that's why I came up with these few ideas that will make you money, and eventually you can grow it into your own business. You can grow it into a business with multiple people. So yeah, stay right in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay till the end so that you do not miss out on the key gems I drop in this video. And so you also don't miss out on me putting my bank account and my bank statements on blast for you to know that this actually works. Number one is a cleaning business. I know it might sound cliche, or it might sound like, oh my God, that is never gonna work. It's gonna cost me so much and it's just not gonna work out. Listen, change your mindset. It will work out, because it did for me, and it has for so many people that I've told about this. If you have a dollar store, you go to the dollar store, you get yourself, you don't even need $30, $15 to $20 max. Minimum $10 to $15. You go to a dollar store, you pick out some essential oils, you pick out a spray bottle, and you pick out a dish soap. Now, this is going to be your eco-friendly spray or your eco-friendly disinfectant, which works perfectly. You pick out some gloves if you need those. You pick out a sponge, a mop bucket, a broom, and a dustpan. You also pick out some rags. I promise you, this will not cost you $20. When you're done doing that, you go home. But before you do this, I'm just telling you how you can get the equipment that you need for cheap. Before you do this, you have to go to a local library. You print some flyers. You know how to do DIY crafts. Everybody probably knows how to do DIY crafts. You print out a business card. You don't have to make a professional one. It could just be a piece of paper that you glue on a cardboard to make it thick enough to look like a business card. When that's done, you can hand it out to your friends. You can hand it out to people at supermarkets. You can hand it out to people, at gas stations. You can leave the flyers in public washrooms, like a McDonald's public restroom. You can leave the flyers on the mirror. You can leave the flyers in public libraries. You can leave it around your local neighborhood. You can post it even on Facebook groups. I promise you, people will reach out to you. You might not believe it, but they will reach out to you. Now, in my case, older adults reached out to me. and some of them didn't have phones. So what I did before this, I thought about them. I thought about, what if an older adult wanted to reach out to me? So what I did was go to a local library, print a flyer that has my phone number attached to the bottom of it. So I printed one flyer with about 7 little sections with my phone number. So if an older person needed it, or someone who didn't have a phone on them needed it, they could tear a piece of it out and take that home. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm just gonna skip through all the details. If you want more details on how I did this, comment down below. Leave a like, subscribe, just so that I know and I can make more in-depth videos with better details for you. Now, I say to post these flyers first so that you know if people want the service. That way you don't go with your last $20 to a dollar store and then buy cleaning equipment and nobody wants the service. And if nobody needs that service, that's why there's more ideas that I have. So number 2, currently where I'm located, it's winter time. So for number 2, if it's summertime where you're located, might I add, this can be done anywhere in the world. If you're in Canada, if you're in America, if you're in Mexico, if you're in Africa, wherever, it can be done. If you're in the UK, you can do this as long as you have, access to a public library, to a dollar store, to all these things that I'm talking about in this video. And this, you need 0 to low income. So for snow shoveling, most times with what I work with, you can go to a dollar store and pick up a shovel for really cheap. A good shovel, I'm telling you. Or you can ask your client, and with this as well, you make posters and you post this beforehand. If you cannot get a shovel, most times clients have shovels. You go there and you ask, hey, can I use your shovel? And they'll give it to you and you do the work and you get paid. Now, where you make the money is dependent on how much you charge them for this work. So if you're working for an hour and you go ahead and say, I'm going to do $15 for an hour. Oh my God, that is so funny. You're probably not going to make anything profitable, especially when you're putting your time into this. Now, if it's the summer, you can mow the lawns. Number 3, this is my, favorite, pet sitting. You're gonna be so surprised how much people will pay for you to watch their pets. I got paid about $350 for one night to watch a tiny little cute puppy, which was so fun, and I just enjoyed it. But what I'm saying is, you can sign up on Rover, you can put up flyers, and you can go up to people. If you see a dog, you can go up to people at dog parks. Hey, I'm a dog walker. Give your card, give a poster. I'm a dog walker. I walk dogs. If you're interested, you can give me a call and we can talk about it, blah, blah, blah. Number 4 is so easy. It's the same thing, but it's babysitting. Now, this is a little harder because a lot of people are very protective over their kids, and I understand that. So many moms or dads might not want to look for a babysitter. They could just ask friends or, people that they already know, family, their mothers, their fathers. They might not want to ask a total stranger, which is totally understandable. But if you're able to get yourself up on a nanny profile, on a nanny website, you set up your profile, and if you're able to get a babysitting gig, I promise you, this is a lot of money. Some people pay $30 to $40 to $20 an hour. Now, the only thing I will say about this one, the babysitting one, is sometimes it won't make you as much, even though you might be getting $40 an hour for a weekend, like a Saturday and a Sunday. And it could be like 2 8-hour shifts. It might not be so much for somebody who might want to work, 30 hours in a week or 24 hours in a week or 15 hours in a week. Number 5, or was it number 4 or number 6? I think it's number 5. I'm pretty sure it's number 5. So number 5 is my favorite, and this is the one that will get you the bank. The cleaning business and this one, at least for me, it got me over $1,000 in the space of 2 days. I mean it, 2 days. If you have a kitchen and you have access to grocery stores, again, access to a public library for flyers and everything, the first thing you're going to do is print flyers, go to a university or a public library, because these are the places that this demographic is going to be at, and you post a cooking flyer. Now, where you're going to make the money is when you say you're doing subscriptions. A lot of students, both international and both locals, are probably at school and they really miss their parents' cooking. We did a research and we found out that so many of them just miss the cooking from home. It's not the same getting food from school. It's not the same. And some people don't want to pay for the quality of food that they get from the universities. With that much amount of money, they might as well just pay for a HelloFresh package or something. So you might as well become the HelloFresh. Hello? So what you're going to do is post a flyer. What I did was I posted a flyer and I said I was doing subscriptions. So mine included 3 different packages. So you can either get breakfast, lunch, dinner with 2 drinks and a dessert, or you can get breakfast, lunch, dinner, no drinks, no dessert, or you can also get breakfast, lunch, dessert, and 1 drink. Now, choose however you want the subscription to be. And my subscription was only for a semester. So I would cook from Monday to Thursday, or Monday to Friday. And then on Saturday and Sunday, I wouldn't supply them any food because that's what they signed up for. Now, if you're going to supply someone food from Monday to Sunday, I would say you have to charge a lot of money. That is where you're going to make the bank, in the subscriptions, because you don't just want to say, oh, I offer food services. And this is also something that you don't have to register as a business if you register it under your name. I'm not sure how it works in other parts of the world. It'll be smart to get insurance for this one. That's where the low income comes in, because if you don't have that much money, you can get a lower insurance. And that's what I did, and it covered me. It depends. You have to do your research and you have to find what works for you, and that's what worked for me. So I love these so much because they worked for me really good, and I hope some of you actually try it. And if you do, leave it in the comments below. Also, if you want me to give you more in-depth, what insurance did I use, what did I do, exactly how I did it, exactly how I started, even the cleaning business, everything more in-depth stuff, just let me know in the comments down below. I really hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed putting it together for you, and I hope that you have a beautiful day. Bye!